Hello, everyone. We're going to try to go back just a little bit and look at the syllabus and refresh your memory about some of the things that you did this weekend, which was the August 27th, 23rd weekend. And you were to create a mastery learning uh, lesson based on Benjamin Bloom on Sophia. And if you didn't have Sophia, you needed to get access to it, set up an account, and probably take the uh, flipped classroom certification um, course. And then you would be ready to do that. And then once you've done that, you develop a lesson and you identify the weaknesses and the strengths of the model and then prepare the lesson and then give me the link. And then you go ahead and summarize how that all went. This weekend is just a little bit different. We're going to be looking at cooperative learning. And what we need for you to do is to list all the cooperative learning models that you can find and write a description for each one of them. That's going to be on a Google document or a Word document that you'll upload to Google and place it in the artifact folder. The other thing that you need to do is to read an article, and some of you all are having a little bit of problems accessing it, and it's because it does work from the blog. So let me go over here to the blog. If we're on the blog, you can click here and it will take you to the article directly. And that happens in most cases. Of course, if you have problems, let me go ahead and show you how that works. We'll go back here. Um, Usually when I do it from my computer, it works, but I'm set it up so that it's going to give you what many of you are finding, and that is you get this site and it tells you that the page isn't found. What you probably will need to do is type in physics cooperative learning, look for the link, and then go to methodologies in physics, click on that, hit cooperative learning, and then you'll find the article again. Okay. So that'll at least get you to the article. Read that article, um, and then what you'll need to do is to go ahead and write a summary of that article and place it into the article summary folder. And then the next thing you'll do is on your blog, and hopefully many of you have already set up your blog, looking at all those different lessons, go ahead and write a little bit about my favorite cooperative learning model on your blog and then make it accessible to me. I recommend that you make it accessible to everyone. And so you'll go ahead and do that and create that, and you know, always try to put your name somewhere on here to do that. Okay, so this is your reintroduction to the use of blogs. If you have not set up a blog, then go ahead and go to Blogger and create a blog. If you have any questions on how to do that, then go ahead and email me and let me know. Okay. We've ordered the iPads, so September the 6th, I'm hoping that we'll have the iPads ready. And so we're going to be meeting in the science lab. And that, unless I get everybody there, which is going to be also include the TRC folks, so that we can go ahead and do an orientation on the tablets and then do a little bit of training And then for you all, go ahead and read chapters 2, 4, 5, and 7 in Delivering Learning on the Net and summarize your reading. And then during that day, we're going to organize the iPads and go through some of the different applications that we're going to be using. And then after that, go ahead and summarize your experience of working with the iPad and put it in the assignment summary folder. And what you'll do is you will post a blog entry, how technology will change teaching. That's all for right now. That's plenty to go on, and we'll see you all a little bit later. Gonna be posting this on the blog and probably sending it as an email to everyone. Take care.